There is a baby on the way for your family, and I will show you who will be the new mommy or daddy. It's the fourth contact when you press the green share button on WhatsApp. This child will bring a lot of happiness to your entire family. Do you believe the universe also wants to leave you a message? Look, this message confirms that the manifestation of your prayer is coming. Your hands are about to touch your great miracle. Be thankful for this additional victory in your life. The divine hand will continue to support you all the way. Happiness is near. Your days will be different and you will have many blessings in your life. God is blessing you this week. A great blessing will come to you. The new family member will come full of health and you will cry tears of joy. Some amazing is about to happen. Press the heart and leave your gratitude to God in the comments. May God bless your family abundantly. 1, 2, 3.